You ever notice? The strongest people usually suffer in silence. The loudest smiles hide the heaviest thoughts. Some nights, I sit alone wondering how many versions of me had to die just so this version could survive. Nobody talks about that part. The rebuilding, the lonely drives, the fake I'm okay. The staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m., trying to fight your own mind. I used to think I was losing at life, but maybe I was just growing painfully. Pressure changes people. Some become cold, some become wise, and me, I became tired before I became strong. There were days I wanted to disappear quietly, not die, just stop feeling everything so deeply. I carried dreams in one hand and doubt in the other, and honestly, doubt felt heavier.
But somehow
I kept moving,
even slowly,
I kept moving.
Slow progress,
There's still progress.
you hear me? The fact you survive,
Everything that tried to break you,
that already makes you different.
most people stop believing.
But you're still here.
And maybe that's your power.
Maybe that's your power. Maybe that's your power. Maybe that's your power. Maybe that's your power.
Maybe healing doesn't look beautiful at first. Maybe becoming stronger feels like falling apart. Maybe the nights you cried alone were preparing you for the life you prayed for. I think some souls are chosen to walk through darkness so they can learn how to become light. So if you're listening right now and life feels heavy,
Don't quit yet.
one day
You look back at this pain.
and realize
It was building the person